Creating a logo is not a piece of cake. People spend hours and hours and sometimes days in just designing a logo. But what if I tell you, you can create a logo for your brand, for your company, or even if you're working on a small project in just under 1 minute. But how is it possible? It is possible with the power of ChatGPT 4 and DALL-E 3. So if you want to create logos like this, and this, let me tell you, each and every logo that you're seeing right now is generated by ChatGPT 4. Amazing, right? And you can do it too. But how? What are the things that you will need? First and most important, ChatGPT 4, and the other is little prompting skills. So if you're new to prompting and if you don't know much about prompting, don't worry, I'm gonna make a video soon. Till then, I have added the prompts in the description that you can use and you can create your logo right away. But don't worry, I'm going to take you through and I'll create some of the logos right now. So without any further ado, let's dive into my computer screen and let's create some logos. Yeah, so here we are on our ChatGPT interface. You can see DALL-E here. So now let's assume I want to create my e-commerce website and I'm looking for a simple minimalist but at the same time premium logo. So the first step will be I'll go to the internet and find some inspirations for my logo. For example, I like this logo and now I want my logo to look something like this only. So what I'll do first, I'll download this and then let's go to our ChatGPT interface once again. So now that I have looked for the inspiration and I like that logo, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to upload my logo here. As you can see, my logo is uploaded. Now I'm just going to give it a basic prompt that you're going to find in the description below. So all you have to do is just copy and paste it here and let GPT do its magic. As you can see, I've pasted a prompt here which says, "Hey GPT, I want you to think like a professional graphic designer. I'm adding a logo. Please take a look at it and give me an accurate description of the logo. I want you to understand the look and feel of the logo. Make sure to cover every detail." This is a very simple prompt. You are going to find it in the description. So now I'm going to press enter and let GPT do its magic. Let's wait for a few seconds. And here we go. Now you can see GPT has given the complete description about that logo. Now I'm going to give it another prompt and you'll find it in the description as well. All you have to do is just paste it here. Yeah, that's it. Now give me a prompt so that I can replicate the exact same logo. And yeah, you are done here. So now I'm going to press enter and it is going to give me an accurate prompt for this logo. As you can see, it has given me a prompt. Now it's time to test whether it is accurate or not. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take it and copy the entire text. And now I'm going to open a new chat and here I'm just going to paste the prompt that GPT has generated and let's see what logos it gives me. It is creating the images, finger crossed. Let's see what I get. As you can see, it has generated some really good designs. But if you want more, let's generate some more logos here. Yeah, here you go. So now in just under 10 seconds, I have generated more than 4 logos. You can just give it more prompts, like if you want to make some changes, if you want to make it light or anything, you can just do it yourself. And you can just give it basic instructions. What are the changes that you need? Even if you want to add some names to it, you can do that. There is one thing that I want you to know. Whether you're working with any generative AI tools, there is always a little problem with generating text. So in case you just want to generate a design or something, it will definitely help you out. But that's one example. Let me take you to another example as well. Now suppose you already have a company or a brand and you want to rebrand the entire logo. So how to do that? For that, I've also added the prompts in the description. But let me just run you through how you can do that. Now this is the logo of Geek Flare and I want to make some changes to it. So let's look at this logo and think from a human perspective. I can see a vibrant orange background. I can see a G and I can see an F. And that's how Geek Flare is portrayed in this logo. So now I've given the prompt, think like a professional logo designer and give me an accurate prompt to design this logo. The logo is of Geek Flare and looking at the logo, I can get a feel of G and F. Make sure to give me the color code as well. So I have just given my instructions and let GPT do its magic. So GPT has generated some response and this is how it has taken it. And the prompt is here. Now what I did next, I just took the prompt, copied it and pasted it. And as you can see, it has generated some really good ideas. So this is the logo that GPT has generated for my brand Geek Flare, which is an existing company, right? And to be honest, I'm pretty satisfied of what it has given me. In your case, if you feel like the logo is not up to the mark, you can give GPT extra instructions, or you can also point out specific things that you don't like about the logo and it will generate new ideas for you. And in this way, you can just get it done within a minute. All I have to do is I have to download this from here and it is good to go. So I hope you got to know something new about GPT today and how you can generate logos under 1 minute. If you want to know about the future of technology and artificial intelligence, then let me tell you about GeekFlare. GeekFlare is a trusted source where you can get up-to-date articles covering all the latest technologies, artificial intelligence and whatnot. As you can see, you can get multiple articles on a daily basis, like 5 chatbots like ChatGPT to have human-like conversations and much more. So make sure to check out the page and read the articles written by top professional writers of the world. If you are new to this AI tech and want to know about the AI tools and how you can get better, whether it is prompting, having conversation with ChatGPT, generating ideas and whatnot, everything is possible with artificial intelligence. So if you want me to create a video, tell me down in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.